Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On this video, I'm going to discuss about those stocks which we are going to focus for a monthly option trading. So that is what jackpot option trading. So that scanner, we have filtered out all the stocks, but I could not able to make the video by yesterday. So that's why it's a delay. So but even though that candlesticks is more powerful, where we are going to focus for our monthly position trading. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. And again, if you are new to my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On our charting scanner, we have created lot of candlesticks pattern that is happening at highest level or lowest level, and also monthly low or a monthly high. So on the day one, whenever the reversal or a continuation candlesticks where it is forms, so that may give you the trend for the coming months or coming days. So that is the main key where we are following that the scanner which is scanned by the stock for the particular month. So the January contract which is started by yesterday, we find out lot of stocks that I have already shared on my Telegram channel in the morning. Now what kind of trade we can focus and what is the good stocks from that scanner, that I am going to discuss here in this video, and that should be the best stock for that particular January contract where even we can apply our advanced option strategies too. So that we are going to discuss. The first scanner which we have taken is a spinning top. So the spinning top, we need a confirmation with some other candlesticks pattern. So I'm not going to take a spinning top here. So we have IDFC in Exide, Indus, Nakuri, Pfizer. These are the stocks we are forming a daily spinning top at the bottom, as well as top also be the same, because yesterday is the first day where the spinning top is formed with the starting of the month where the candlesticks forms. It may be the high as well as low, because that is a day one where the high for the day is the high for the month, as well as the low for the day is the low for the month. So this two I'm not going to focus, and we are checking these are the main candlesticks, the hammer candlesticks pattern daily. One is Nam India, Tata Consume and Indigo. Let me check these three stocks is whether it is a good for this monthly trading or not. Let me say first Nam India. So this is a spinning top. Sorry, this is a hammer. But if you check that the stock is already moves up, but using this hammer candle, so we are taken. This is what the candle where it is forms on the starting of the month. So this is what the candlesticks which is present at the starting of the month. The 3rd Jan should be the first day of the January contract. So it is forming a looks like a spinning top candle, and also it triggers the entry. So where you are going to take that entry. So whenever that high of that 356 and 350 should be the stop loss for the trade. So 356 is the entry point and the stop loss for the trade is 350. So the risk for the trade is 6 rupees. So when it is broken, that is today it is already broken the entry, because we are recording this video after the market close. So this is already triggered your entry with this as our stop loss, and we are expecting there is a upside, or if market reversed to back, we are going to exit with the stop loss here. So using this particular candlesticks pattern, so it gives you buy opportunity. As my student who know about the what kind of strategy, you can use the SBB strategy here in call side. If it is triggers your stop loss, you can make a SBB and put also, or you can use 2.1 or 3.2 strategies at this point, because it is giving you the trend, and the stock has started down and it has started recovering from the low, maybe the chances to moving higher. So that is also good one. So looks good on the hammer candle. Okay, so this already given you entry, you can plan for your trade, right? The second stock which we have seen, that is one is Nam India and Tata Consume. Let me go for a Tata Consume. So what kind of candlesticks? That is what a hammer candlesticks. Let me say Tata Consume. Okay, can you able to see this Tata Consume? It can, we already told you how to use this pattern. So it is a hammer candle which is the perfect one. but today market is opened above the high of that particular candle. So it's not giving you the entry earlier, so it is open above the previous candle high, so maybe the technical gap up. But and we know the method, technical gap up it forms, the stock has started falling down, so now it forms a bearish engulfing pattern. So this is not good for now. So whenever this broken this level, we can go for a sell here, because it is looks like a bearish engulfing pattern. So this is not valid trade, because whenever the market is started below and if it is broken means there is a breakout entry, but it is already open above that level. So we need to be focused, today's high should be broken. So while if this hammer, we are focusing this hammer, we should focus for this high is to broken. This is not broken tomorrow, so we don't go for a buy. And if it is broken this level, we can go for a sell, because of this is what another candlesticks pattern, this combined two candlesticks pattern of bearish engulfing. So Tata Consumer is not good for right now. And third one is Indigo. Let me try Indigo. What happened? Indigo, the third one is Indigo. Let me see, that is giving you such a good, and we can also be big, and these are the stocks which is already given you entry, right? So but if I make the video by yesterday, we may be having the opportunity, but even though, so this is not for intraday trade, it's a perfect positional trade. Can you able to see that previous candle? So that is the reason we are making, where the stock is forming at monthly low. Is there any candlesticks pattern, the reversal candlesticks pattern, where you see this is the monthly low of that particular December contract, where it is forms a spinning top or a doji. Sorry, it is looks like a hammer or a doji. Once it is broken, there is a good movement. And again, there is a candle which is forms. This is what a more important candle. So we got it, right? And we also satisfying that conditions, and it looks good. So, but it triggers you already the entry. The entry point is 2024 with the stop loss of 1935. So if we have nearby 100 rupees stop loss for this trade, the stop loss for the trade is nearby 100 rupees. But we know how to do the hedging trade with the 2.1 strategy, SBB strategy, or even other main important strategy of naked. Something we may be using this candlesticks pattern. This is already triggers. Whenever it come back to the same level, we will try with that our hedging strategies, right? So these three stocks, so the two, one is Interglobe Aviation and another one is Nam India, looks good. And other candlesticks pattern is a doji at top and doji at bottom. So here doji at top and doji at bottom both are same, because the day one we got a high as well as low for the month is the same. So HDFC, AMC, Cummins India and Metropolis. Let me check. These are the three important stocks which is forming a doji at the starting of the month. HDFC, AMC. Okay, this is a doji, and today also be a doji. So there is another great opportunity where this candle, two consecutive dojis. So there is a confirmation in the confusion in the trend. Whenever it breaks above that level, we will try, or break below the level, we can try for a breakout trade. So very small risk, where we are taken 2481, 2450, some 30-point risk. So looks good for a doji candle on a monthly basis. This is what very good candlesticks pattern, where it is forms two consecutive dojis in HDFC, AMC. That is we are going to focus for next month. The second one in a doji is Metropolis. I think the stock already moved. I think it broken down, and it given you entry, and another great opportunity in the same stock also will be present here still now. So it is broken the entry point and it slightly closed over that entry point. So 3422. So what kind of trade strategy we can use? This is the doji which is forms on the day one, and it broken the low. Entry triggers. Stop loss is 2483, and the entry point is 3422. So 3483, 34, almost somewhere around 60 70 point is the stop loss. It is triggering the entry. So what kind of trade we can do? 2.1. So other strategies, even a future option strategy also we can apply here. So we are expecting there is a down here. So this is what our stop loss. Whenever the stop loss trigger, if you are doing with our hedging strategy, that will help you to find even the reversal it is happen at this level also. We may be try to manage that position. So this is also be looks good, and it is also given you the trade opportunity. And the third one is Cummins India. So this is also Cummins India. This is a triggers the entry as well as your stop loss. Maybe this is the confused candle. Maybe it opened here and it moves high and it made a low, but when it happened we don't know. Maybe if it is a first 15 minutes candle, so we may not consider that one. Right, let me see the first 15 minutes candle where it is. It is started below the low. Right. We'll see this, the low is 935. So let's compare to the daily chart. It's 938 is the low, and today it made a low of 935. So if you are seeing that it was started by the low, opening by the low, so that is 930. It is low, so this sell entry is not triggered because it is a opening candle. We are not going to focus for a opening candle. And daily basis, so it may be trigger your buy opportunity, so may it continues the trend. So 949 to 930, 10 rupees risk in this particular trade. So it is almost taking a range bound, a narrow range like that. So once it is broken, that is already broken. So there is a chances to it can move up to this 999 level with a stop loss of 10 rupees. That is also another good candlesticks pattern and based on Doji. So all are good. HDFC, Metropolis and Cummins India. The next important candlesticks pattern is GMR Infra. It is a very less value stock, so I can ignore that one to trade that. And bearish engulfing pattern, Glenmark about. So let me try what are the best bearish engulfing pattern. Glenmark. So this is what a not good one. Then about India. So I'm focusing on the bearish engulfing pattern which forms a. This is on the second. It's not good. And third one should be Colpol and Cadilla. Cold Paul. I'm focusing the bearish engulfing with the open eye like that, so even more powerful. That I'm focusing. Or if it is open above the previous day high, so even it is more powerful. What I'm expecting this kind of candlesticks. This is also looks like a bearish engulfing, but here the open is above the previous day high, but here it is below the previous day high. So, but even though this is what a bearish engulfing candlesticks pattern, but it is not more power. Thus, that I'm going to checking out right now. So all the three is not good for my bearish engulfing coal ball, Cadilla and Syngin. So let me take Cadilla Healthcare. That is also not good, but even it was working good today. Even market was almost nearby 200 point plus, but this stock has fallen down because of this candle, but it is not giving me such a good confirmation at all. But even though it is working, so don't worry about that. So I'm not going to focus the stock. And finally, Syngin. This is also not good. As among this bearish engulfing pattern, I'm not convinced. So I'm not going to take any of the stock here. And bullish engulfing daily, RBL, Reliance, BEL, SL Tech. Let me see what are the best one. RBL Bank. So RBL Bank it is already trading at a lower level. So this is also be not good on bearish engulfing pattern. And Reliance. So okay, but not good. But if you see that Reliance, so this is not a good bearish bullish engulfing pattern. So it is not open below the low. But if you are seeing that previously, it is a warming PGN. These two candle, it's a warming PGN bullish candle. So warming PGN bullish candle that was given your entry yesterday, and today market moves higher. So I'm talking about this monthly candle, but this is also be one of the most powerful candlesticks pattern, that is a warming PGN bullish, that is works well. If you are focusing each and every candlesticks pattern in a particular stock, the more powerful pattern, so that will help you to make a big trades. So let's see that kind of bearish engulfing I'm focusing. So the stock is open above the previous day and it is a small wick on that. So then the breakout is happening and the stock is fallen down. So that kind of pattern I'm searching for here right now. So here we don't get any good one in bullish in BEL and SL Tech. BEL not good. BEL Technologies. So no, nothing good on that. Then SL Tech also, and persistence which is forming a dark cloud cover. So that is also same like that bearish engulfing. but dark cloud cover, it's the opening above the previous area that I'm focusing here. So this one can able to see this is looks like good, but the entry is not triggered. So where we can try to take this stock for a trading. So this is the high and low for this two continuous day. So where we are going to take a trade opportunity on that is 4,800 should be the selling level, and 4,987 should be the stop loss for my trade. So 4,800, 4,987, so almost 200 point risk. So if you are nakedly doing the trading in the futures, you are going to take a risk of 200 rupees. But if you are playing with the options, you may be reduce your risk. And even if you are doing with our advanced strategies, even it may be reduce your risk. So whether we can apply your future and option strategy, or directly 2.1 or 3.2 kind of strategy we can apply here. This is also a good one for this month of January. And about the next other candle, Morningstar candlesticks pattern, Coal India. Let's we see Morningstar pattern in Coal India. So yesterday the stock moves very well. There's a Morningstar pattern, but it is a very big one, so we may not consider this one as a good. But compared to this previous day, that is 31st December, it is a bullish Arami or it is a doji candle, and previous also doji that was work yesterday. But compared to this three candle, I'm not convinced that this is not a good one for focusing for a monthly trade. And other candlesticks pattern, separating line bullish, HAL and Wipro. Let me see what happened on that HAL yesterday. So that looks good, and that has also given you a trade opportunity 1246. This one we can try it because the candlesticks looks good, and the entry is 1248 and 1208. Almost 40 rupees is the risk for the trade, and it has already triggered you the entry, and it reaches somewhere around 1268 and nearby 20 point. It is already generated today itself. Then it is coming down. So let we wait for that, because it is almost we are taking a 40 rupees risk with nearby reaching 20, and whenever it come to the price of 1245, we can make the stop loss of 1208 and we can try to trade. The second one is Wipro. It's not a good kind of pattern, because if you see this stock, most of the time it is very narrow in trading. Some days only it is moving bigger range, but most of the time it is in a narrow range. Even if it is goes up and it is getting back to lower like that, it is happening. So better you may ignore this particular stock. And what other candlesticks? When that's it about our candlesticks pattern. So these are the stocks which we have get it from our trade. So here we got to find out the best stock should be these three from Now India and Tata Consume, Indigo, and apart from that we maybe see that RBL, Reliance, SCL, BHEL, and Persistent, and Coal India we ignored, and Wipro we ignored. HAL should be the good. So these stocks we can focus on. Same kind of candlesticks pattern, if it is present by if it is presented by the next consecutive days, we can focus for that. The main importance is how the candlestick is formed. So that is what very important. If you see that, so there is a good opportunity to make a trade. That's about this video, and I hope this may be useful video to you all. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for your subscription, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.